The Prime Minister Modi kicked off his two-day Russia tour. Well, he received a grand red carpet welcome and Russia's Guard of Honor. The moment he landed at the Moscow airport, this is Prime Minister's first visit to Russia since the Russia-Ukraine war, and also the first state visit, post he has taken over in the avatar of Modi 3.0. Now, as part of his mega diaspora outreach, Prime Minister met Indians in Russia and witnessed an energetic Garba performance at his own hotel. Prime Minister will also interact with Indian students of Kendriya Vidyalaya in Moscow. Sources tell India Today that Russian President Putin to host a private gala dinner for Modi at his Moscow cottage, where both leaders will set the tone for the bilateral to follow. The meet is set to be a significant one as it focuses on strengthening bilateral ties as well as global security. A key focus will be on real-time payment mechanism and the use of RuPay cards in Russia and MIR cards in India.
A number of students here, both Indian and Russian, with me. Let's begin by asking you your name and what do you do and what are you doing here?
My name is Maxim Yadav. Here I study in Financial University in Moscow only, and I also teach Russian language to the Indian students who come from India.
And you're holding the tricolor with great pride, huh?
Yes.
Excellent. And what's your name? What brings you here?
My name is Valeria Sasoeva. I'm a student from Tver State University, and I came here to support my friends to invite their Prime Minister.
So, you know about Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his summit here with President Putin?
Yes, of course. I'm a student of international relations, so I know about Russia-Indian relationships well.
And are you a student too?
Yes, my name is Puneet Sharma. I study in Tver State Medical University in Tver, and as he said, like, we are Team Ravi, and we were invited by the embassy here to see our Prime Minister.
I have a number of young college students who are joining us, and they're wearing t-shirts that says India Day, and also the Indian culture on India Day is something that they talk about very extensively. Why don't you come and join me? Tell me your name and tell me more about how do you celebrate India Day?
My name is Yugandhara, and we usually celebrate India Day during 15th to 18th August. So we have a lot of programs that day. There are mehndi stalls, then the jewelry stalls, sari stalls. We sell a lot of Indian clothing, and there are majority Russians coming to the India Day. They love the Indian culture.
So Russians love Indian culture, and they on India's Independence Day, 15th August onwards, 15th to 18th August, you have a lot of celebrations. In your university, is it in Moscow? Is it in different parts of Russia? It's in Moscow.
Yeah.
And even outsiders come to your university.
Yes, yes.
And I was told that there's something about Indian culture. There's lots of mehendi and what all happens, tell us.
Actually, the Russians come and they are the ones who are wanting to do mehendi on us. And as you saw earlier, there are a lot of Russians trying to get into Bollywood and the traditional dances like Kathak and all. They practice for like a month before and come to perform on the India Day.
Wow,
Yes.
they practice for a month. And Kathak, because Kathak, be it Kathak, Bharatnatyam or Odissi, they're very difficult dances. You have to really put in a lot of effort.
Yes, yes.
And they do it.
Yep.
How do you feel as an Indian in Russia?
I feel really proud. You know, I really enjoy it here. And I'm glad that Modi is coming today.
Why? I mean, so what if the Prime Minister of India is coming? Why should you be excited? What brings that excitement?
Because we love Modi. We love to celebrate it.
Really?
Yes.
And I see a lot of Russians celebrating. Why are Russians celebrating?
They also love Modi. They love the Indian culture immensely.
Really?
Yes.
They know about Prime Minister Modi?
Yep, they know about it.
What is the conversation like that you have with them?
They are like, we're really excited to meet Modi, and they hope to meet him and get to see and talk to him maybe.
All right, well, it is all niceties today. Let's listen in to all reactions that have been coming in thick and fast, where the Indian diaspora and Russian residents coming in eagerly awaiting for Prime Minister Modi's arrival in Moscow. Listen in and we'll cut across to our Foreign Affairs editor.
हम सब लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड, बहुत प्राउड है क्योंकि ये बात मिस्टर पुतिन के साथ बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है दोनों कंट्रीज़ के लिए. तो हम सब लोग सोच रहे हैं क्या इंडिया और रशिया बहुत पुरानी दोस्तें हैं, तो ऐसे रिलेशनशिप करना पड़ेगा हमेशा हमेशा के लिए.
क्या आप एक्साइटेड हैं?
हाँ, बहुत एक्साइटेड. मैं जानती हूँ थर्ड टर्म के लिए मोदी जी फर्स्ट टाइम बाहर जाता था, तो ये भी बहुत बड़ा चीज़ है.
Something has happened this time. I cannot tell you. The whole Russia is talking about. It's more exciting. You can say everybody's excited. Everybody knows about this thing. Russian media has been covering it very positively, and it's again the proud moment for the Russians because Prime Minister is coming for the first bilateral visit after his third time coming to the power. So it talks too much for Russia, and Russian sees this is one more milestone in their friendship.
हम तो बिल्कुल बहुत सालों से इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि माननीय हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी रसिया में आए. ये भारत और रसिया के बीच में और ज्यादा मधुरता लाएगा. वो यहाँ पे आएंगे तो हमें बहुत ज्यादा खुशी है कि हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं. तो बहुत ज्यादा हम उनका वेट कर रहे हैं.
बहुत अच्छी बात होगी इंडिया और रशिया के रिलेशनशिप बढ़ाने के लिए, और काफ़ी टाइम के बाद यहाँ पर उनका आना हुआ है. पहले कई सालों पहले वो आए थे, कोविड के पहले आए हुए थे. तो मुझे लगता है अभी इस वॉर सिचुएशन को लेके बहुत कुछ अच्छा ही, कुछ पॉजिटिव होने वाला है यूक्रेन और इसके वॉर को लेके.
Our Foreign Affairs Editor, Geeta Mohan, joining us live. Geeta, this visit of significance, the first where Modi 3.0 is concerned, the first state visit also, the first post the Russia-Ukraine war, the niceties done today. Tomorrow we get down to business. What can India expect?
Well, there's a host of issues that India and Russia would be discussing, the leaders would be discussing. It has a bilateral aspect, regional and global. This comes at a time, Preeti, when we are looking at the world trying to isolate or endeavoring to isolate Russia. And in that, India's strong message that India is going to stand by Russia. This is a very important visit, not more so for Russia than for India, because Russia needed a friend that even the West really looks up to and engages. And India is one such friend. Russia does have friends in China, and recently we saw the visit to North Korea. But those are not countries that you can say you're engaging a democratic nation. If there's any country which engages both the West and Russia, it is India. And so that's why this visit becomes very important. Also, the fact that this is Prime Minister Modi's first official state visit to a country in particular. His first visit, in fact, was to Italy, but it was for the G7 summit. Had it not been the G7 summit, Italy in all probability might not have been his first country of visit. So choosing Russia as his first country of visit in itself is really important. It's significant. It really emphasizes the relationship and the fact that India is not going to, in at least the near future, be letting go of Russia as the West would have wanted. In terms of conversations, there are going to be a lot. There's a review that the two sides are going to do on the defense, strategic, economic, trade, investment, education, culture, and tourism front. But in terms of trade and investment, Preeti, we have seen how Russia has been, because of all the sanctions, has been trying to see whether there can be a local currency exchange on trade. And while the two sides have been trying to work it out, it has not been very smooth. There have been issues. There are areas that need to be dealt with. So that's one aspect. But we're expecting some important announcements. They've not been spelled out yet. So let's wait and see what the agreements and the announcements are going to look like between the two sides.
Well, you're going to keenly follow that. Appreciate you joining us, Geeta Mohan.